Class 10 children, today we will learn a new chapter, chapter 9, arithmetic progression. Actually, the chapter's name is arithmetic progression and geometric progression. But as per the reduced syllabus, you need not learn geometric progression, that is GP. You need to learn only arithmetic progression, that is AP. So I wrote the heading or the chapter's name as arithmetic progression. Now, two very important formulas, only two formulas, but very effective formulas. You should understand the situation of formula. So let us learn these formulas first. Like we have here Tn equal to, n is at the base, please note it down, equal to a plus bracket open n minus 1 bracket close d. Now what is Tn? Tn is nth term. Now nth term, suppose if it is 13th term, then we will write T13 and here I will write 13th term. That means if there is n, we say n here, but if it is 13, then we will say 13th term. If it is 14, 14th term. If it is 5th, we will say 15th term. That way. Here in this formula, a is first term. The first number, the first term. I will explain with the help of example very soon now. Here d means common difference and n means number of terms. Now you might be saying, sir, what is the name of all these terms? We are not understanding. Don't worry, I have an example here. So first let me explain with an example, then I will come to second formula. Suppose there is an arithmetic progression AP and its series is 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. It goes up to 40. Now what did you find here? The first number is starting here is 4 and the next number is 7. That means there is addition of 3. The third term, again addition of 3, 10, addition of 3, 13, means plus 3 it goes on. So this is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Now 8, 9, 10th, it is missing here and it goes up to 40. Now 40 is which term? We don't know. Now the question says find the number of terms of the above AP. That means which term is 40. Now if anybody will ask you what is the fourth term, then you will say first, second, third, fourth. Then you will say fourth term is 13. But when you are asked which term is 40, so number of terms of this AP you have to find. That means you have to find n. So here in this AP, Tn, the last number, here as per the formula, nth term, so here Tn is 40 according to this AP. Next, first A is first term, so here first term is 4 because the first number is called A. D means second minus first, or you can even say third minus second, but I will do second minus first, that is common difference. Actually D means common difference, so difference means second minus first, not first minus second, second minus first, that is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. And n is number of terms, so n is question mark. So I think you could understand the name of the things as per this what I have said here, everything I have explained. So now I will apply formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So Tn, the last number is called Tn, that is called nth term. That means the nth term here is the last term. The last term is 40 equal to a is first term, that is 4 plus n minus 1. As we don't know what is the number of term, which term is 40, so n will be n only, and n is question mark, minus 1 into d, that is common difference is 3. So now as I have to find n is in the wrong side, I will bring n here, then my answer will be 4, same thing, 4 plus n minus 1 into d. It is called interchanging. It will go this side and 40 will go this side, so 40 is here. Now this 4 will go that side, then it will become minus, because it is plus, it will become minus. So 40 minus 4, here it remains n minus 1 into 3. If any multiplication on the left hand side goes on the right hand side, it becomes divide. It is all old thing we have learned. So now here we have 40 minus 4 is 36 and 3 comes and divides here. Now n equal to 12 plus 1. Why? Because 36 by 3 is 12 and 1 goes this side, it is plus 1. So n equal to 13. That means n equal to 13 is our answer. That means 40 is the 13th term of this series, of this AP. First term is 4, second term is 7, third term is 10, similarly fourth term is this, fifth term is this, sixth term is this, seventh term is this, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th is missing, but 13th term is 40. So number of term is 13. Suppose same question I write here, AP 4, 7, same, and I write 13th term. That means who is 13th term? Find the 13th term of AP. We know 13th term of AP is 40. But let me explain with the help of formula. So same question I made vice versa, interchanged. Like which term is 40? Then 13th term is 40. Now who is 13th term? Then I will make it 40. How? You see. Same formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. As last number is not given, so that means last number is not given means we have to find the last number, that is 13 term. So in place of Tn I wrote T13, and as you know A is same, 4 plus n, this time 13, this 13 is called n. I hope you understood. The 13th term, number of term is that n is 13, 13 minus 1 into common difference, you know already, I have taken same question as you know, second minus 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now no need to write anything here because we are finding 13th term, so that's why direct equal to 4 plus 3 minus 13 minus 1 is 12, 12 into 3, 12 into 3 is 36, 36 plus 4 is 40. So you understood now. Which term is 40? 13th term is 40. What is the 13th term of this series? The 13th term is 40. So I hope you are understanding. Now I will explain you second formula, Sn equal to, that is sum. Now what is sum? Sum means if you add all this series, 4 plus 7, 7 plus 10, 10 plus 13, 13 plus 16, 16 plus 19, 19 plus 22, next you know what will come, next what will come, up to 40 if you add, what will be the sum of the n terms? That is Sn equal to n by 2, open the bracket, 2a plus bracket open n minus 1 into d second bracket close. This is the formula to find sum of the AP. So same formula I will use here. Now again the AP I have given the same because it will help you to understand. Suppose the AP is same 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 dot up to 13 term. I did not write 40, I wrote 13 term. Now find the sum of the 13 terms, that is first 13 terms of the AP. So till 13 term, what will be the sum if you add 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus next number plus next number up to 13 term? Then the answer will be same formula, Sn equal to n by 2, second formula which I explained, 2a plus n minus 1 into d second bracket close. Now as we have to find sum of 13 terms, so S13 and n is, you know, the n will be 13 because 13 term, number of term is 13, 13 by 2, second bracket open, 2 into 4 because first number, that is a is 4, plus n minus 1, n means, you know, 13th term, so that is 13 minus 1 into difference second minus first, that is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now as we are finding 13 term sum of 13 term, so now nothing to write here, but we will find the answer. 13 by 2 cannot be divided, 4 2 is 8 plus 13 minus 1 is 12, 12 into 3. Next 13 by 2, 8 plus 36, after multiplication 36, 8 plus 36 is 44. So now I can write 13 by 2 into 44. If you cancel this, 22 into 13 is 286. That means if you add all of them till 13 term, answer will be 286, which is not possible to do manually, but formula, with the help of formula, it is very, very interesting and very easy. Suppose if same question I wrote the AP, same AP, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 up to 40, same formula, but here same question, but here I wrote 13 term, here I wrote 40. Now the question is find the sum. Here I could do directly. Can I do directly here? No. Why, you know? Because here I don't know what is n, because in the first question it was 13 term, so 13 was n, but 40 it is the 40 is the last term of the AP. So now in this case what we do, same thing, first I will find Tn, which you know how to do, Tn equal to this formula, and here the last number is 40, so last number is called Tn, A is 4, N is unknown, and D is 3, and like I have done in the previous page, ultimately N is 13. So once I know 13 term, the same way now I will use the sum, that is T13 S13 equal to 13 by 2, which just now I did. That means when number is given, my first duty is to find n and then do the sum, but when n is given, I can do directly. So children, very interesting chapter. First you learn this basic concept, then I will come with some advanced question. Thank you children.